Welcome to Flight 123. This aircraft will be handled by Captain Caballos. Destination, Mexico. Mexico is a sizable country of contrasts, contradictions, and a rich culture. It is also a part of North America. The weather in Mexico is as varied as its geography. There are tropical forests, arid deserts, fertile valleys, and snow-covered mountain peaks. You will be able to enjoy all the experiences and activities you can imagine in the adventure destinations Mexico has to offer. You can go climbing, diving and snorkeling, do extreme sports, fishing, hunting, or spend a day at a luxurious spa. Some of the animals found, such as birds, jaguars, turtles, and other rare species, remain at the southern part of Mexico. In Mexico City, the weather is quite pleasant, neither too hot nor too cold. We recommend that you find out about the weather in the state you'll be visiting in order to know what clothes to pack. So what are you waiting for? Book now at Flight 123. Anytime is the best time to travel to Mexico. Tour packages start at $20,000 per head, as indicated in the brochure. Mexico. Live it to believe it. Thank you.